Hey, I'm Conrad from turboinstynkt. You have never heard of me before, but I own a world's cheapest track car. This car might not be an obvious choice for most of my non-European audience. In fact, it's not an obvious choice for my European audience either. So why did I buy this car and what makes it the cheapest? There were many other better choices to pick from, like the BMW E36s, Clios or Peugeot 206. Looking at you, mighty car mods, but I like to be different. So to make things that much more entertaining, I picked a car which has absolutely zero mods available to it on the market. And considering that I have zero manual skills and don't know how to use a wrench, it will make things interesting. So we likely own the world's only road legal, street legal, first generation Renault Twingo with bucket seats and a racing harness. Well, in fact, it's the only one bucket seat because, you know, budget built. So how much does it cost? So where do we draw a line between a stock car and a track car? One could buy a heap of shite for $500, take it out on the track and call it a track car, right? Well, I think we should consider at least few basic mods, like tires, brakes and suspension, which is all around here. This car was cheap as f***. It costed me a whole $780, and of course, depending when you are in the world, the prices of cars could be different, the prices of parts could be different, and there might be different cars available too. As I mentioned earlier, I have absolutely zero manual skills to do repairs on my own, so I had to pay someone to do it for me. Basic maintenance like oil change, filters changes, or even replacing the brake pads, yeah, I had to pay labor for that. The whole maintenance on the car after the purchasing, like the basic repairs, was $250. Next, we had to look into some braking performance, so we opted in for Ferodo DS2500 brake pads and a Motul RBF 660 brake fluid. That will prevent overheating, or at least reduce the chance of it happening, and improve the braking performance on track. That costed me, including labor, $180. Now, the car was too soft, so we had to look into the suspension as well. It's a little bit better now. Come on, camera. So if you shake it, it's not as bad as it used to be now. So we put in some cheapest coilovers available. Those are the TA-Technix coilovers. And the price including labor was $430. And as you can see now, the car is a little bit lowered. It's not too low, but it's there. And last but not least, we got the brake pads, we got the suspension, so we had to get some cheapest available semi-slicks. So we have purchased Nankang's NS-2R semi-slicks, which are a little bit difficult to get heat into them and actually grip on the track, but they are doing the job. That costed me, including fitting for all four corners of the car, there's a lot of flies here, $380. So the total for the whole track car, that's track prepared track car, was only $2,020, and you're gonna have a lot of fun. I did 3 track days with this car already. I did 2 competitions in Rallye Sprint, and I didn't have a single issue with the car so far. Well, touch wood. There's no wood here, but let's call it touch wood. When it comes to the interior of the car, of course I got rid of the rear bench, which was around 15-20 kilograms, so not too heavy, but of course we want some weight reduction here. And as you can see, the red belts there, those are the harnesses. Those are the Schroth Rallye 3, which are the road legal harnesses that you can wear on the street and the track as well. And I actually, got myself some tools as well. So I guess I'm not that bad with the tools, I guess. And camera, follow me. That's the bucket seat right here. I managed to install it myself, drilled some holes in the car as well, and I managed to keep the stock belt as well to work on the street. So I guess I'm not that bad with my wrenches then. So the question you're asking me, how does it drive on track? Well, allow me to put on these $20 Sparco karting shoes, guarding gloves for added grip on the steering wheel, and let's take the car out on the track. I took my camera inspiration. You will see like several different angles from the interior of the camera while on the track. I took the inspiration from Misha Shorodin from Nürburgring. I'm sorry, Misha, if I mispronounced your surname. So you should get a good idea of the speeds we can achieve from the car. Well, I'm not racing cars, I'm making Doom YouTube videos. I run my own search engine optimization agency. So if you have a business or a website and you would like to appear in top 2 results on Google, let me know. Contact me directly at conrad@drrank.com. Let me know you are from the channel. You will get 10% discount on any of the services, and that will help you rank your website at the top search engine results in Google. Conrad from Rank. Okay, here is one of the not so fast laps because one of the cameras fell off later on, but nevertheless it's quite interesting. So enjoy me overtaking that AMG in the corner, and I'll get back to you after the lap. So as you guys can see, you can have a lot of fun for $2,000. You can get yourself a track car, which will be somewhat competitive, maybe on a racetrack like this that's quite fast, which you will definitely have loads of fun. And guys, I'm just building my English-speaking visibility on YouTube. I would really appreciate your support if you could just like and subscribe the channel, and please share your feedback, what you think about the video and what would you do differently next time. I really appreciate it. Thanks again. I'm Conrad from Turboinstynkt, and I hope you guys will join me again next time. Cheers.